Good day, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, guys, and you know what? The market is recovering. That bearish momentum is over. I don't think maybe it's going to come anytime soon. Now, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button around these areas down there. You will see the subscribe button. If you want to join my YouTube channel, guys, if you want to support the team, you can click the join button down there. Once you join that, please let me know and I will give you the signal system, which is very powerful. But beside that, if you want to join the team also, it's $150 and it's lifetime. And once you join, I'm going to give you the signal system, right? And if you want to join like monthly, it's only $20 monthly. You get the signals, like premium signals, each and every day. So on 150, it's where you can learn everything, and also the signals, if you want the system separately, is still $35. I hope you understand that, guys. I hope you understand that. So please, before I jump to analysis, please, guys, please smash that subscribe button. You can share with your friends on your Facebook, on any social media, so that we can just populate the channel, and maybe so many people they will find out about this channel. I hope they're going to learn something. So let's go straight to our analysis. Let's see. I will just start with German 30. So on German 30, what do we see here? We see that the market is actually also pushing up. It's not aggressive as what we saw actually on NASDAQ 100, but we can still see that, you know what, the market is pushing up. And what I love is, I always say, guys, let's follow the trend. If the market is going up, what we can do is to do what? To sell only. And sorry, if the market is going up, we only do what? We only buy. Sorry about that. So I hope you understand that, guys. I hope you understand that. So what's really happening here at the moment? We see that the market is still pushing up. We see very well that the market is still pushing up. I'm on a daily, on a 1 hour time frame, so that you can see what's really happening. At the moment, we have an area where we can call a resistance, but you can see the other one is here, the other one is there. Maybe we can just do something like a trend line, something like that, but I don't think that it will be fine. It's fine like this. We can see that the market is still pushing up. What we can do is, I still think even at this area is still a good area to buy, but I will advise you to wait for a small rejection. If the market can be around this area, it's where you can say maybe you can buy. Why? Because that is going to help you not to have a very, very, very long or bigger stop loss. So you can do something like this. You can have entries like that around there. So your stop loss should be below that support area. Something like that. You can have something like that. You can still enter there, but just know that their stop loss is going to be way too long. The market, just look, this portion, so that is going to be too long for you, and maybe, I don't think, sometimes you're going to lose even if you took the right decision. Please, guys, don't forget, later on we still have that live session, which I said is going to be like each and every day, only like during the weeks, guys. So I think the market is still going to push up. If maybe you were not aware of this, now I think now you know that the market has been pushing up, but it's been doing that for some time now. It's just that people, they were still panicking because we had this strong sell-off. But now, since then, the market has been pushing up slowly. So, and sometimes some of the rejections, they might scare you and think maybe the market is changing the direction and selling. We will only do that if the market is breaking the support area. We will only do that if the market is breaking this area. So I hope you understand that, guys. So let's move to the next one. So to the next one, which we're moving to at the moment, it's gold. So let me just use 2 hours on gold, because this thing has some very big moves. So what's really happening here is, I see that the market is on the support area, but it seems like the market wants to move out of that. Do you see that? The market seems like it's trying to break that. So let's wait and see if the market is going to break this area. If it breaks that, we will say it's time for us to do what? To sell around this area. But if not, the market might still respect this area and we might see the market pushing up. So if you want to buy, let's say maybe you can have a buy pending order around this area and say, you know what, if the market is going to push up, it will just get my order there. Then if the order is going to be like it's going to get activated, then you will be in profit, something like that. You don't have to try to confuse yourself. It's quite easy like this. It's quite easy like this. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So let's move to the next one, which is okay, take profit. It's been hit on US oil. Remember, I've been saying that the market just broke out of this area, and after that we saw the market trying to retest. This thing's been here for, I think, last week Friday, because I saw this. And if maybe you did follow that, obviously you did hit that to take profit. But I've been advising people not to just jump on the market. Why? Because, let me just remove it. It already, if you followed that, you did it. So because there is too much stuff that's going on. But what I have seen, or what I have heard yesterday on the news, it seems like Ukraine now is trying to have that peaceful talks with Russia, and if that is going to be successful within few days, or maybe I don't know when, then we will see the market still pushing lower actually for oil, because I think that is going to make oil no longer like to be like aggressively expensive. We'll see that pushing lower. But if it pushes lower, expect to have a support area around this area. We'll have that support around this area. We'll see what we can do. At the moment, I can't advise anyone to jump on the market at the moment. Maybe you can say, Kenzo, you see, maybe don't you see something like this or like this? Yes, I saw that, but it's very steep. We don't have to actually try to just get every trend line from every move. We see that the market is on downtrend at the moment. So what is happening is we just expect the market to reach this area. And from this area, maybe we might have any decision that maybe you might think of. You see, simple as that. So let's move to the next one. Actually, yesterday we did we did eat on NASDAQ 100. We did, that was very simple, straightforward, perfect move. Even later on, after we went live, I also sent a very nice signal, guys. I sent a very nice signal to buy because I saw the market going lower again. So that was a very nice and simplest move, and the move was very aggressive. I also sent that, check on my YouTube post. I also sent that. If maybe you follow that, obviously you did take that signal. Maybe you did it, maybe. So sorry, at the moment we are on US30. So what's really happening on US30 is, if you still remember on our live analysis yesterday, the market was playing around this area, and we said we're not going to sell because the market is still on an uptrend. And guess what? That it was true. Now just look what happened. The market just bounced back, and the market just broke out of that resistance. Actually, we were supposed to enter on this one. I think it's still a very, very nice, we can still have a very nice position to enter. We can just enter currently. Unfortunately, I don't know how long will this video take to reach you out there, but maybe in a few minutes the market might play around this area because the market the market is not open. I think the market might still consolidate before pushing up. If not, maybe later on the market might push up, but later on maybe the market might come back just to respect this area before pushing up. I hope you understand that. So I don't think maybe you should look for any sell. Sorry, so we can look for any sell if maybe the market is going to break this resistance and push lower again. But remember what I said. Let's follow the trend. When the trend is pushing up, it's easy for us to look for these moves where we only do what? We only buy. We look for this type of moves, then it can happen again. So when we draw our trend line, it's going to show us, oh, this thing was just giving us higher lows, and higher highs. So we're supposed to follow that, because if we go with the trend, we're not going to go against the market. So one way or another, we're just going to make money. Sometimes, yes, the market might reject. You should know about that. Sometimes the market rejects, you see. So when the market does that, you should understand what to do. So before we go on NASDAQ, guys, you should understand that the market has these things called highs and lows. When the market is rejecting, it doesn't mean that the market is changing the direction. The market is just taking a breathing, small breath before it runs off again. Small breath before it runs off again. So you should understand that. Here are my contacts. Check my contacts down here. You will see my contacts. If you want to talk to me on WhatsApp or on Telegram, you can just get me there with those numbers. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. Please, you can still smash that subscribe button. I said if you join YouTube channel, there is a join button there, down there. You still go into you can let me know after you join, then I will give you a signal system. I think to join there, I think it's 300 or something like that. It's very small amount. But if maybe you just want specific only system, you can just let me know. I will just give you that, or only on $35, only $35. I hope you understand that. So let's move back. Then we can just go on NASDAQ. We can just go on NASDAQ. Let's see what's really happening on NASDAQ. So here we are on NASDAQ. Wow, this thing just really moved very crazy. So look what happened. Look what happened actually. I sent this signal yesterday. Later, after we had some live session, the market did sell off very crazily. Then I gave them a buy pending order. Just look at what happened. Just look at this one candlestick. Then the third candlestick, they already take profit, was hit. That was very quick. That was very quick. Let me remove that. At least you know now, but that we eating. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. It's $150 only. It's lifetime. So what's really happened is around this area, if you still remember, around this area we did eat yesterday. Then the market rejected again, as we had some sort of a resistance there. Then the market broke that. So the market never respected that. Why? Because the market was like aggressively on a bullish momentum. So what happened is the market came back again, respected our support area. And if I still remember, someone on the live chart said the market might reach that area, and it did reach there, which is great, because we still have we on our side also, we still had this support area, and which I always like to put it there. So what we can do at the moment is, if you missed the market at the moment, don't jump on the market and say maybe you don't want to miss. Some people, they don't want to miss, guys. I understand sometimes to miss a big candlestick like this is not really good. I also took profit very soon. I took trades here before I sent the signal. Then I sent the signal around this area. Then I think I took my profit around this area. Then once I take out the profits, the market just shot up. So, but that was great because I made something. I appreciate whatever the market, even if it's $1, it's something, because I know how to scale up my account. I can compound my account very slowly, and in the long run, a few 3 months later, my account will be like massive. So I do that every day. Don't just chase money every day. Make sure that you try to grow your account. So what I'm expecting at the moment is, I'm expecting that, you see this area, the market created something like a support there. I think the market might start to create something there before pushing up. If not, we might see the market maybe coming back here before that. But I don't think that might happen at the moment. I think the market is still very hot. This is a very nice recovery. And I like that. As you know that I usually used to buy only NASDAQ. Look what happened. This is a very nice recovery moment, and I'm very happy about this. But this thing is very steep, guys. Do you see this? I think we might still have some sort of rejection, as this thing is seriously pushing up. So let's see. Okay, this thing is seriously pushing up, but I think it's that time where people, they're not going to get into trades, And this is where you need the skill. The market might start to create this type of move like this, and it doesn't reject. It just creates some small ranging market and move like this. When you check, when you're still waiting for the market to come back here, the market sometimes won't do that. So you should understand what's really happening. Why? Because the market will be like crazy, like very, very strong on bullish momentum. You see, so the best thing that you can do is try to wait and see that. Unfortunately, some of the things I can't able to share here on daily analysis, because that might make these videos very longer, and I don't want to make these videos very, very, very long. I hope you understand that. So what's really happening here, guys, is sometimes on the market, when the market creates something like that, or the best thing is, or maybe if you want to change the way you trade the market, firstly, try to follow the trend. That way, I think, is the easiest way to trade. Try to follow the trend. Try to minimize or try to get out of the different indicators that you put on your chart, because sometimes that might mess your chart, and sometimes that confuse. You might not know sometimes where to place your stop loss, where to buy, where to sell, and stuff like that. But if you have like clean chart like that, it's called a naked chart actually, because we trade chart, we don't add any indicator, we just try to see to analyze with the structure, which is great and which is very powerful. Mostly you will get trades very early, very, very early than people who use indicators, which like something like maybe a moving average, something like that, you see, or any other ones, because mostly of them, they are programs. They have to read the market before showing you something, you see. So I hope you understand that, guys. Please, later on we're going to have that live session again. I hope everyone is going to gather here together and we can still make money together, guys. I hope you understand. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. It's $150. It's still very cheap to me, because the service that I'm going to offer you, it's way too much, and from there you can learn. Guys, please don't forget that if you want to make it in the market, not only in the market, even if you want to do anything, any other career, you have to go to university. So you're going to pay something. Even in Forex, don't look for shortcuts, because that is going to delay your success. You might be having maybe 2 years in the market, but if you're still looking for simplest things, the most cheapest things that you can get out there, just know that that might also delay your progress, because you're not getting the right information. You're not getting the most structured information out there. So try to get something, even if you don't buy those things from me, but if you try to get something which is categorized or sorted in a very nice way for you to learn, that way you're going to get you're going to reach where you're going very quick. But if you're looking for shortcuts, sometimes you're looking for shortcuts, it's like taking the long route, because you don't really learn. You just jump things and you don't really have the fully understanding. But by learning, it might be a part of shortcut, because you learn things that people took 4 years to learn. You learn things that people took 10 years to learn, and you get that within a day or within 2 or within 3 weeks or what like that. Then once you apply those things, they become way too easy for you to apply back on the market. And that is where you're going to see the changes you need in the market. Trading is not easy. Trust me. Whatever that you see, people, they say, oh, this thing is easy, whatever. It's not easy. You need to learn those things. Emotions in the market are the things that you should learn. There's attitude that you should have towards the market, because the market will always punch you if you don't respect it. You see. So I hope you understand. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. You know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Bow.